2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 5. From which number we will divide this 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 5? हम कौन से नंबर से 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 5 को डिवाइड करें? From can be divided from 2, can be divided from 3. क्या ये 4 से डिविजिबल होगा? Can be divided by 5, 6 और 7. क्या इन सब नंबरों से ये डिवाइड होगा? वी आर हैविंग द सेम प्रॉब्लम. इसी प्रॉब्लम से हम लोग बहुत परेशान होते हैं कि विच नंबर वी विल टेक टू डिवाइड सच काइंड ऑफ डिजिट्स. सो इन दिस वीडियो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टेक सम divisibility test by which we will understand by which number we will divide the digits. Okay, so let's start the divisibility test. In this video we are going to take the divisibility test of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means which number can be divisible by 2, which number we will divide by 3, which number we can divide it by 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need a quick response. For that we need to understand divisibility test. Okay, so here we are having the divisibility test for you all, so watch the video till end. So first divisibility test I am going to take, that is divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit is divisible by 2. That means the number at one's place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, or we can say that number must be even. Okay, whenever we are having the digit, suppose we are having a digit 4, 6, 2, 9, 8. Now we need to know that this digit can be divided by 2 or not. So for that, according to our meaning, that we must have to see the unit digit. So here we have 8 at the unit digit. Now let us check that 8 can be divided by 2. 8 can be divided by 2 or not. We are going to divide 8 by 2. So the answer we will obtain, that is 4. 2 4s are 8. So here we have 8 at the unit place. So the entire digit can be divisible by 2. That means if we are having the number 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place, then means the entire digit can be easily divisible by 2. That means हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, कोई भी नंबर जो यूनिट प्लेस पर अगर 2 से डिविजिबल है, अगर वो 0 है, अगर वो 2 है, अगर वो 4 है, अगर वो 6 है और अगर वो 8 है, देन द एंटायर वैल्यू कैन बी डिविजिबल बाय 2. वो पूरी की पूरी वैल्यू कैसे डिविजिबल हो जाएगी? 2 से. Okay, I hope you understand the divisibility by 2. Let's start the divisibility by 3. A number can be divided by 3 or not, that we will understand by divisibility by 3. So here we have the meaning, we have the procedure. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. कोई भी नंबर 3 से तभी डिविजिबल माना जाएगा जब उसकी सारी डिजिट्स को हम ऐड करें और ऐड करने वाली डिजिट से जो रिजल्ट आए वो रिजल्ट किससे डिविजिबल हो जाए? 3 से. So let's take one example here. I'm going to take 9780. This is a digit. We have to check the divisibility by 3. हम लोगों को ये चेक करना है कि ये डिविजिबल होगा 3 से या नहीं. So for that we are going to add all the digits that we are having in this number. So 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 0. Okay, we are going to add 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 0. We will get 24. Now again we are going to add this value, 2 plus 4, we will get 6. Now let's check, 6 can be divided by 3. क्या 6 3 से डिविजिबल है? So the answer is yes. 6 can be divisible by 3, that is 3 2s are 6. Okay, so the entire number, that is 9780, is easily divisible by 3. Let's divide it and let's check the answer now. Okay, so I'm going to divide it by 3. 9780. So 3 3s are 9. Then 7. 3 2s are 6. 1 8. 3 6 are 18. Then 0. 3 zeros are 0. So the answer is 3260, and the entire 9780, the number is totally divisible by 3. Let's take the next divisibility test. Divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the two right hand digits, that is digits at the tens place and ones place, is divisible by 4. In this divisibility test, we must know about the last two digits, that means tens and ones place. So let's take one example here. 12984. Now let us check 12984 can be divisible by 4 or not. क्या ये 4 से divisible होगा या नहीं? So according to the divisibility, we must have to take the two right hand digits. Two right hand digits means last two digits. So here we have the last two digits, that is 84. Now let us check that 84 can be divided by 4 or not. अगर ये 4 से divide हो जाएगा last two digit, तो ये पूरा 12984 can be divisible by 4. Otherwise it will not divisible by 4. So let's take the division of 84 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. Yes, this 84 easily divisible by 4, easily divisible हो गया 4 से. That means the number, that is 12984, can be divided by 4. Let's have the look on the solution. Let's check the divisibility now कि ये actual में हो रहा है या नहीं. So for that I am going to take the number 12984 and I am going to divide it by 4. Okay, so 4 3s are 12. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 4 6 are 24. So yes, we obtained that 3246 is the answer of this divisibility. So this number is totally divisible by 4. Let us understand the next divisibility test. So here we have the next divisibility by 5. So let us understand this property. A number is divisible by 5 if its units place digit is either 0 or 5. या तो यूनिट प्लेस में 0 आ जाए या तो यूनिट प्लेस किस में हो जाए 5 में, तो दैट नंबर कैन बी इजीली डिविजिबल बाय 5. Okay, so here we have an example. Suppose we are having 2 4 7 9 0. So here at the last place, that is unit place, we are having 0, and according to the property we must have 0 or 5 at the last place, that is unit place. So here we have 0. So let us check that number, this number is easily divisible by 5 or not. Let's take the solution now to check whether it is divisible by 5 or not. So we are having 2 4 7 9 0. So I am going to divide it by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 9s are 45. Then 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. Here we can see the entire number, that is 24790, is totally divisible by 5, and the answer we obtain from the divisibility is 4958. So it is proved that any number which is having 0 at the last place or the unit place can be divided by 5. Now let us check that if we are having 5 at the last place, that means unit place, then the number can be easily divisible by 5 or not. Let us have one check, one example here. So I'm going to take one example, 645. Here we have 5 at the ones place, unit place. So let's take 645 can be divisible by 5 or not. So we are having 645. I'm going to divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 1 4, 5 twos are 10, 4 5, 5 nines are 45. So here we obtain the answer 129. So that means whenever we are having the number that is having 5 at unit place or 0 at unit place can be divisible by 5. Okay, so let us understand the next divisibility theorem, that is divisibility by 6. So here we have the property, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. कोई भी एक नंबर 6 से तभी डिविजिबल होगा जब वो 2 और 3 दोनों की डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट को पास कर लेगा. So let us take one example here कि the number can be divisible by 6 or not. So I'm going to take one number that is 342. Now let's check the divisibility by 2. क्या ये 2 से divisible होगा? चेक करते हैं. At the last place we are having the even number, that is 2. That means this number can be divisible by 2. Okay, now let's take the divisibility by 3. हम लोग इसको 3 से चेक करते हैं. So 342 can be divided by 3 or not. Let's check. So for that we are going to add all the digits. हमने इन तीनों डिजिट्स को क्या कर दिया, ऐड कर दिया. 3 + 2 + 4. So we will obtain 9, and 9 is totally divisible by 3. So that means 342 follow it will divided by 2 or 3 both. ये दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है. That means 342 can be divided by 6. दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है, यानी कि 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है, तो वो 6 से भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा. Okay, let's take the next divisibility, that is divisibility by 7. You can double the last digit. The theorem is saying, the property is saying we need to double the last digit and subtract the sum from the rest of the number and set an answer that is divisible by 7. Very easy. Let's take one example here. So for that we are going to take the number, suppose 32326. हम लोग एक बड़ा सा नंबर लेते हैं and now let's check कि ये 7 से divisible है या नहीं. So our property is saying that you can double the last digit. What we have to do, we have to just double the last digit. Simple है. Last digit को हम double करें तो last digit is 6 and its double is 12. 6 का double क्या हो गया, 12. And the entire digits that are remaining digits, from that we have to subtract this double number. So from the remaining digits, हमारे पास remaining digit क्या बची, 3232. और उस 3232 से हमने क्या किया, इस 12 को माइनस किया, यानी subtract किया. तो subtract करने के बाद we will get 3220. Now let's check the divisibility. अब इस नंबर को हमें क्या करना है, 7 से डिवाइड करना है. तो हम लोग इस 3220 को 7 से डिवाइड करने जा रहे हैं. अगर ये डिवाइड हो जाएगा तो दैट मीन्स 32326 कैन बी डिविजिबल बाय 7, अदरवाइज नॉट. सो हियर 7 4s are 28 and we will get 4. हमने 2 उतार लिया. 7 6s are 42. 0 7 zeros are 0. So this 3220 is totally divisible by 7. That means 32326 is also divisible by 7. Let's check our answer कि ये 7 से divisible है या नहीं. So for that I am going to divide 32326 by 7. 32326 by 7. अगर ये यहाँ से डिवाइज्ड हो गया तो that means this divisibility theorem is correct. So we are having 7 4s are 28. 4 यहाँ पे बचा, 3 हमने उतार लिया. Okay, so now 7 6 are 42. 1 2 7 1s are 7. 5 and here we have 6. 7 8s are 56. So here you can verify the answer कि 32326 7 से divisible है या नहीं. Let's proceed to the next divisibility. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the three right hand digits, that is hundreds, tens and units place, is divisible by 8. Also an odd number is not divisible by 8. That means अगर हमारे पास this is the divisibility is totally based on the divisibility of 4. वहाँ पे हमने क्या लिया था, हमने लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स ली थी. यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स को लेना है कि वो डिविजिबल है या नहीं, यानी कि वो परफेक्टली डिविजिबल बाय 8 है या नहीं. सो लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल हियर. 36168. सो लेट अस चेक कि 36168 8 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं. सो फॉर दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टी वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द लास्ट 3 राइट हैंड साइड डिजिट. तो राइट हैंड साइड डिजिट दैट मीन्स ones, tens, 100 place. Okay, so last 3 digits is 168. So let us check कि 168 क्या ये divisible है 8 से या नहीं. 168 को हम 8 से डिवाइड करें तो क्या ये divisible हो जाएगा 8 से या नहीं. 8 1 8 2 16, ये कट गया, 8 उतारा, 8 1 8. दैट मीन्स 168 यानी कि 8 इज़ द परफेक्टली डिविजिबिलिटी बाय ऑफ 168. 8 जो है 168 का टोटल परफेक्ट डिविजिबल है. दैट मीन्स 36168 इज़ टोटली डिविजिबल बाय 8. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, 36168 भी क्या हो जाएगा, टोटली 8 से डिविजिबल हो जाएगा. लेट्स हैव अनदर डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट, दैट इज डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 9. सो हियर वी हैव अ नंबर is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. It is this divisibility is totally same as the divisibility of 3. ये totally 3 की divisibility की तरह है. उसमें भी हमने sum किया था, यहाँ पे भी हम sum करेंगे. So let's take a number that is 792. Now we are going to add this number 7 plus 9 plus 2. So 9 plus 7 that is 16, 17, 18. अब now we will check कि 18 can be divided by 9 or not. बताइए बताइए. Yes, it can be divided by 9. That means 9 2s are 18. So that 9 is the divisibility of 792. This is proved now. ठीक है, यह प्रूफ हो गया कि 792 की जो डिविजिबिलिटी है वो क्या है, 9 है. यानी कि जब भी 792 आपको मिले आप किससे डिवाइड कर देंगे, 9 से. ओके, लेट्स हैव अनदर डिविजिबिलिटी, दैट इज डिविजिबिलिटी बाय. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 10. सो अ नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 10 इफ इट्स यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट इज 0. अ नंबर, कोई भी एक नंबर अगर उसकी लास्ट डिजिट दैट इज़ यूनिट प्लेस अगर 0 हो जाए तो वो पूरी की पूरी डिजिट जो पूरी की पूरी वैल्यू है दैट कैन बी डिविजिबल बाय 10. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद वन एग्जांपल. लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल लाइक 7930. नाउ लेट्स चेक. वी आर हैविंग 0 at the unit place according to the property this number can be divided by 10. ये नंबर 10 से डिवाइड हो सकता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रॉपर्टी. Now let's check this number can be divided by 10 or not. So for that I am going to divide it by 10. So 7930. Let's start the divisibility test. 10 sevens are 70, 10 nines are 90, and 10 threes are 30. Here is the solution and here is the proof that any number which is having 0 at the unit place, okay, that number can be divisible by 10. So dear students, from this divisible test you can divide any number by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 और 10. ठीक है, इस डिविजिबल टेस्ट से आपको आसानी से पता चल जाएगा कि कौन सी वैल्यू 2 से डिविजिबल है, कौन सी 5 से, कौन सी 7, कौन सी 9, कौन सी 3, कौन सी 10. Okay, so I hope you understand all the divisibility tests that we have done in this video, and I hope you like this video. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. We will meet again in the next video to take the exercises of this divisibility test. Have a nice day. Bye bye.